and this is a Viking. My favorite thing to do, especially when I travel or go on trips, I look for fish and chip shops. Don't get me wrong, I love coffee. Cheers, Peter McKinnon. A trip without having fish and chips? Not a trip. And in all my travels, my top 3 fish and chip shops is Beshoff's in Dublin, McDonald's in Galway, and Morton's in Ballycastle, Northern Ireland. There's plenty more, but these are my top 3 fish and chip shops at the moment. And I'll keep looking until I find more and more and more. Yesterday I had a bit of business to do in Dublin, and guess, visited my favorite fish and chip shops, Beshoff's. This is the first time in 11 years that the shop wasn't all that busy. Maybe it's just my timing. I went about an hour before lunch, but in the past it's always been busy. I almost had the whole top floor to myself. The portions are getting a bit smaller, but still the tastiest fish in Ireland. And what a view! And there you go, all done, and time to head back.
Next stop, Jervis. Hier stadele Jervis.
And as usual, a bit of admin. Please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, and until the next time. Lekker lekker!